Welcome to the future of business. As we step into 2025, digital transformation is no longer a choice, but a necessity. Trend 1, hyper-automation. With the rise of AI and ML, businesses will automate more processes, freeing humans to focus on innovation. Trend 2, extended reality. As XR technologies advance, businesses will create immersive experiences, revolutionizing customer engagement. Trend 3, quantum computing. With the power of quantum, businesses will solve complex problems, driving innovation in fields like healthcare and finance. Trend 4, sustainable tech. As concern for the planet grows, businesses will adopt eco-friendly technologies, reducing their carbon footprint. Trend 5, human-centric AI. With a focus on ethics and transparency, businesses will develop AI that augments human capabilities rather than replacing them. These are the top digital transformation trends to watch in 2025.
Stay ahead of the curve and shape the future of your business.